Hey Phil, this video is gonna just go through and go talk about editing posts and pages. As we talked about in this first video, adding articles and posts, it's pretty similar, but this is just a quick reminder on how to go edit pages and posts. So let's just go to show all of our posts. Right here, these are the drafts that are on Upcoming Story. This is one of that big article that we put up there. As you're going through, it's pretty much just like a WYSIWYG kind of word editor. You can change what category you want them to go into. And as we talked about in the first video, um, it pushes the articles around on the website depending on what categories you put them in. Um, you can edit the status of it to published, pending review or draft. I think pretty much draft or published is all you would really worry about. Visibility, if you want to public, password protected, or private. Um, and also you could change the published date. And what that does is if you set the date into the future, it'll put it as a draft and then publish it on the date that you pick. But editing the post, if you click on a photo, you can either delete it or you can dive into it a little bit more. You can change the size of it. You can align it left, center, right. You can change the link that it's going to. You can add a caption to it, alternative text. If you want to go in and put a border around it, vertical, horizontal space, different stuff like that. You can always change that, but that's quickly how to change the photos. With that said, there's really not much more you want to try to concern yourself with. If you go to pages, you'll notice pages are basically the same except for links. You're not going to be putting your links directly into the page, and in the other video you see why. This is just a placeholder piece of code that pulls all the links in. What other pages? Photo gallery. This also pulls in all the photo galleries that we talked about in another video on how to get the add all the photo galleries in. So you don't need to worry about editing or even ever really touching any part of that code. The contact is somewhat similar, except for we have a little bit of text, and then this piece of code pulls in the form. You can always edit the forms through this area, but I wouldn't really concern yourself with it too much. And then bio, obviously we have some stuff on there where you can go redo all the text, change out the photos if you need to, different stuff like that. But that's a quick way that you can go edit the posts and pages, and we'll move on to some other videos.